Very good point. Yeah.
All right. Now we got Lydia. You're doing this part.
Okay. Lasciatemi cantare con la chitarra in mano. Lasciatemi cantare una canzone, piano piano.
Yep. All right, let's hear it. We have a little bit of a music part here.
Lasciatemi cantare con la chitarra in mano. Lasciatemi cantare una canzone piano piano.
All right, so that was Lasciatemi cantare.
Let me sing
Yep. Con la
with my
chitarra
guitar in hand.
in mano. Yep.
Let me sing
Lasciatemi cantare.
a song slowly, slowly.
Yep. Perfect.
Well, actually, let me ask you a question. Piano, piano doesn't mean slowly, slowly. It means slowly, right? So it's not that they're repeating the word slowly. It becomes slowly when it's piano, piano.
Correct.
Correct, Larry?
Yep. Yep. It's just like an emphasis word. I mean, this word actually comes from the word pianoforte, the instrument.
Right.
So it's an instrument that goes from those, soft scale, soft end
Loud.
all the way to the
Loud.
loud or strong. It's an instrument that's got a wide range. So that's where that word comes from, pianoforte. Piano is like slow, slowly.
Let me ask you another question. So if I just said una canzone piano, what would that mean?
It's not really used that much. That piano is like a customary expression. That's
Okay,
what-
that's what I thought.
yeah, it wouldn't really. They would still understand what you meant, but it's not. It's not the common way. Is piano.
Well, to me, if you just say piano, it just means a floor or like the first
Right,
level or
exactly.
something.
Yeah.
Right.
First floor, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Primo piano, secondo
Primo
piano.
piano. Yeah. That there'd be confusion, so that's why they say piano to emphasize the slowly aspect of the song. Nice, easy song. I want to play a nice, easy, slow song where, nothing too difficult, too loud, too strong. So, all right. So who's up now? I forgot. Anne, are you up?
Yes. Ok. Lasciatemi cantare perché ne sono fiero. Sono un italiano vero.
Okay. You want to try to take this, Anne, and make it feminine all in here? Want to give that a try?
Ok. Ok, lasciatemi cantare, that's fine.
Yeah.
Perché non sono fiera.
Ne sono fiera.
Ne sono fiera. Sono wait a minute now, un with an apostrophe, italiana,
Yep.
un apostrophe, italiana vera.
That's right. Yeah. All right. So let's hear what he says.
Lasciatemi cantare perché ne sono fiero, sono un italiano vero.
I gotta say, the Italian songs crack me up. The way they're just so macho.
Yeah,
That's a great song.
That is a great song.
Okay.
Yeah.
It makes
Okay.
no sense at all.
So,
Let me sing because I'm not proud. Because I'm proud.
I am proud.
I am proud.
This is an emphasis word. Yeah.
I keep forgetting that it's a part of it. Okay. I am an Italian, a true Italian.
That's right. That's right.